think what we're going to be getting is this LP multi-use panel application 4x8. That looks like what
that looks
they have.
exactly.
Well, if they have that in silver, we can get everything in silver.
$20 average. I mean, it just won't quit. Oh, obviously these are not the conditions that we wanted today, but it's supposed to rain for like the next 5 days, so this is kind of just what we're working with. It's not quite so bad on, is this the leeward side, I guess? Helps a little bit to have the shelter from the house. Man, it is windy. Okay. These boards are for the trim that goes around the baseboard of the house. We have so many pictures of the house that we like, but in the picture that we didn't have this baseboard trim yet, and it drives me crazy every time I see it because it's amazing how much better the house looks. But we didn't do the back, which we probably could get away with not doing the back, but since we're doing it, we're just going to do it right.
For all the professionals that think we're not doing this right,
We're probably not.
at least we're doing it.
Yeah.
We're doing this first so that this will dry some before we put it on. That way, when we go to put it on, we're not getting it all over us.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're planning down. Don't try to fix my head. It's just your anxiety.
Gotta get some duct tape ASAP because our insulation is flying out with the wind.
Don't make me dance to a tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see your shortcomings. You'll be running when I raise the black flag. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing with our hands in.
All right. Now we got to make this box. 43 1/4. There. All right, so 43 1/4 wide.
You want to explain why we couldn't just measure it once?
So at a square, you can't measure off one measurement. You have to go with everything.
We learned that the hard way framing our walls inside. We got 30-mile-an-hour winds, very small space to work on, moving platform that we're standing on. Such a fun work site.
When there's a fire raging just outside our door. You talk about peace on
Use a chalk line. I don't have a long square.
while you're sleeping on pills through the wall. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising.
Looks fine to me.
Yeah. Yeah, we've never used this PVC board, so we're trying to figure out if it's gonna like split it if we put wood screws in it, or if it's all good, but seems to be working just fine.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the call.
Now, I need to build this window out, and then we can put the rest of this seam in.
Where these rivers flow, why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. Who we to know?
That board goes too far down for that pipe, so I'm going to adjust the pipe. I'm going to cut it right here and redesign how it comes out. So let's just put that on hold, and we'll just have that one piece to put on. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, if we can't fit it, we can't fit it.
Well, we can, but I don't have the pipes. I was going to do that after. I realized those boards were so long.
The color of the leaves in the fall.
Closing up shop. What do you think about it?
Ooh.
That's it? Oof.
It wasn't that bad compared to doing the whole thing. It's airtight. No more cold bathroom in the morning. I'm happy with it. I think it looks really good.
So the middle trim boards will blend in with the rest of the paint. Only the ones along the side will be white. Unfortunately, we are not going to be able to put the finishing coat of paint on this to make it match the rest of the house quite yet. A, it is supposed to rain tonight and for the next like 5 days. And B, it's a little bit too cold. We might could get away with it if it were to stay this temperature, but obviously it's not going to. It's gonna drop probably below freezing at night. So we're gonna have to wait until it's a little bit warmer. And of course we will show you whenever we do that. But for now, we have a multicolored house. Thanks so much for joining us on that journey, y'all. We are so psyched to have that done. Of course, we will be back next week with another video, so please join us then. And in the meantime, please subscribe, like this video, comment, let us know what you think. And we will see y'all soon. Bye-bye.